Any visitor to Perthshire will at some point have an encounter with the River Tay, the majestic king of Scottish rivers, as it sweeps its way from Loch Tay down to the sea at Dundee. Perhaps never more majestic than when it glides past the historic cathedral in Dunkeld and under Thomas Telford's bridge on its way down to Perth. But if you stand on its bank with your back to the cathedral, you'll see a break in the bank opposite, where another river joins the Tay. Nothing remarkable, perhaps, just another tributary. But this tributary isn't just an anonymous source of extra water, but a fascinating river in its own right. This is the River Braan. Following the Braan upstream from Dunkeld to its source Loch Fruchi, some 15 kilometres to the southwest, we'll encounter some thundering waterfalls, tranquil pastoral countryside, the magical world of the Hermitage, and an ancient church. Also, on the way, we'll unfold the tales of General Wade, royal visitors, the inn where Bonnie Prince Charlie snoozed for a night, and where William Wordsworth was inspired to pen a poem. Also entering our journey will be a musical genius, the fiddler Neil Gow, the painter Sir John Everett Millais, Beatrix Potter's inspiration for Mrs. Tiggywinkle, as well as a dragon-infested island. This is the story of the River Braan and the secret strath through which it flows. Welcome to Strathbraan.